Today we will learn Chinese characters.
难
Now watch how I pronounce it.
难 n an 难难男人男人，这是一个男人，这是一个男人。男孩，男孩，这个男孩很顽皮。这个男孩很顽皮。男女男女男女都可以学汉字。男女都可以学汉字。
Now let's see how to write this character. Don't rush. Calm down and write this character slowly. Please note the upper part is smaller than the lower part. It's a bit difficult when you first start writing Chinese characters. Write and imitate more, and you'll get better gradually. Since ancient Chinese society was mainly based on farming, those who worked hard in the fields were men. Therefore, this character is composed of these two parts. Chinese men are generally expected to have a sense of responsibility, strength, and family duty. The lower part should be written a bit larger. You've all learned it today, haven't you? See you next class.